What is the purpose of pneumatic system? Pneumatic system supplies compressed air to the airplane user systems. Airplane systems that use pneumatic power. Engine starting system, air conditioning and pressurization system, engine cowl anti-ice system, wing thermal anti-ice system, water tank pressurization system, inert gas system, hydraulic reservoir pressurization system. How many types of pneumatic source in the aircraft? Engines, APU, external ground source. Engine is one of the bleed source of the pneumatic system. It supplies bleed air to the pneumatic system. Engine bleed air comes from the 5th stage and 9th stage of the high-pressure compressor. At low engine speed, bleed air comes from the 9th stage, and at high engine speed, air comes from 5th stage of the HP compressor. High stage valve controls the flow of engine bleed air from the 9th stage. It regulated the bleed pressure up to 32 psi. When 5th stage pressure greater than 34 psi, the high stage valve closes. High stage regulator controls the high stage valve. High stage regulator operates the high stage valve. Pressure regulating and shut-off valve controls the flow of engine bleed air, regulates the engine bleed air pressure up to 42 psi. Controls by engine bleed switch in the cockpit. Bleed air regulator operates the pressure regulating and shut-off valve. Bleed air regulator controls by engine bleed switch in the cockpit. Pre-cooler. Pre-cooler is an air-to-air heat exchanger. Controls the temperature of the engine bleed air. Pre-cooler control valve controls the amount of fan air that flows through the pre-cooler. 5th stage check valve. It prevents 9th stage bleed airflow into the 5th stage bleed port. It stops airflow in the opposite direction. Pneumatic manifold. From pre-cooler engine bleed air goes into the pneumatic manifold, where air goes to the different airplane user systems. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks.